In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Mailchimp. Sending a test email is an important step before you launch any campaign. It lets you double check how your email looks, confirm that links and images are working, and make sure everything appears correctly in your inbox, just like your subscribers will see it. First, log into your Mailchimp account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look at the left-hand panel of the dashboard and find the section labeled Campaigns. Click on Campaigns to open your list of existing campaigns. From here, scroll through and locate the specific campaign you want to test. On the right side of that campaigns row, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click that. You'll now see a preview of your entire campaign. This includes the basic information like the subject line and recipients, as well as a preview of the email itself. On the right-hand side of the email preview, there's an option called Edit Design. Click Edit Design to open the email editor. Inside the editor, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Send Test. This is the feature we'll use to send our test email. Click on Send Test, and a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, you'll see a field labeled Send a Test To. In this field, type the email address where you want to receive the test. You can add more than one email address if you'd like multiple people to review the message. Just separate each address according to the format Mailchimp suggests. Below that, you'll see some extra options. You can choose to send the test to account users, which is useful if teammates need to approve the email. There's also an option to include instructions or a personal message. This is helpful for adding notes like what to review or specific sections to check. You can also select who should be notified by email if someone leaves comments on the test, which is handy for organizing feedback. Once you've entered all the necessary information and adjusted any options, look at the bottom right of the pop-up and click the Send Test button. The pop-up will refresh and display a confirmation message letting you know that your recipients should receive the test email shortly. It will also remind you that if they reply or leave feedback, it will appear in the Comments tab. That's all you need to do to send a test email in Mailchimp.